Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix OpenClaw access not configured on Telegram. All right, let's begin. If you encounter the message OpenClaw access not configured on Telegram, understand that this is not a permanent error. It is a default notification indicating that you need to finalize the connection between your OpenClaw instance and your Telegram bot. To resolve this, access the terminal on the device where you installed OpenClaw and execute the command OpenClaw pairing approve Telegram, followed by your unique pairing code. This command officially approves the link between the two platforms. If you have already configured your LLM model correctly, this will be the final step required to make your bot fully functional. After approving the pairing, I highly recommend running the OpenClaw doctor command. This utility will scan your setup to verify that all configurations are correct and that the bot is ready for use. Once these steps are completed, the access not configured message will disappear, allowing you to interact with your bot seamlessly. This simple verification process ensures a secure and stable connection for your automated tasks. So that's basically how you can fix OpenClaw access not configured on Telegram. That's it for this video. Thanks.